Hi everyone, I'm Alex, co-founder of Evaa Protocol, the first lending protocol on Ton. And the lending and borrowing on Ton has never been so fun. It's just a ton of fun. And the problem we face on Ton blockchain that there is, as you can see, zero lending protocols. So people cannot lend and borrow at all. User cannot earn passive incomes by being lenders. Users cannot trade decentralized. That's pretty bad for any blockchain. And the solution to it is just to build such a protocol where people can lend, earn interest on it, people can supply collaterals and get instant loans because it's decentralized. And basically we decided to solve this problem by creating Evaa Protocol. We brought it to life. The Evaa Protocol is the first lending protocol on Ton. We're building it the way that the easiest way people can lend and borrow money, so they can earn passive incomes, access liquidity, and so on. And the two questions which we need to ask ourselves before we go further is why we're doing it now, and do people really need it? And the first question is, do people really need it? Sure. You can see that there is almost on every successful blockchain, I would say on every successful blockchain, a lot of lending protocols, and they exist there not just because they want to exist, but because every blockchain needs it. You can see like protocols like Compound, Solend, Aave, and so much more. And the second question is, why now? Now, at this moment, in the Ton ecosystem, I think is the ideal time to conquer this empty field and build a good product like Evaa Protocol, because there is no competitors, and we just before Ton growth really exponentially, really expands big before other players come into game. So this is just an ideal timing to do this. Just look at the market size of other lending protocols. In the 2022, there were $50 billion locked on just lending. Just look at other categories like taxes and assets. It's at least 2 times less than lendings. So it's just an essential thing. And if you look at this picture, you'll see that there are a bunch of them, like immense amount of them on every chain. And that's one more proof that this is essential thing. And just look how many DeFi products are on Ton ecosystem right now, and how big competition, how hard competition is on Ethereum blockchain. So we're really in a ideal situation right now to start. And of course, how it makes money. The business model of it, very simple. You just take money from commissions from you just take some commissions from operations like lending and borrowing. It's pretty simple, but it works on other chains. And yeah, this is pretty profitable and good. Also, you might ask us, what is your competitive advantage? Why other people would not just come and build it? And I will tell you the following things. One of the things that we value as a team is that we have a lot of partnerships with key players in Ton ecosystem. We know almost every valuable player on this market, which is really good competitive advantage towards others when you build something like lending protocol, because you need to cooperate between everyone. That's just what you need. Also, we know Fancy, you might have fun right now, but like, fancy and what? But have you thought that only 700 people know fancy, and we don't know how good they know fancy, but I can tell you for sure, we've been building on fancy the last year at least. So we really can handle it properly. One more thing which is really astonishing for us is that we have really good vision of stablecoin, of our own custom stablecoin, which we want to implement later, which will help to us really grow immensely. At the same moment, we can integrate this protocol in Telegram and allow 700 million people lend and borrow just in Telegram bot. That's so convenient. And as I said, it's really just a good time and no competition. So our roadmap. First, we would like to build first word conversion with one wrapped stablecoin, and we're really more than halfway through because we did designs, we did structure of our protocol schemes, we build in smart contracts at this moment, and we're really heading towards first version. Later, we want to add other assets like Ethereum, BTC, BUSD, so people can access more things. And later, as I said previously, a bit earlier, we would like to build our own stable, which people will prefer to other stablecoins, bridge stablecoins, and we have an idea how can we make it. You can ask who would use our product. Of course, just beside people that want to trade, lend, and borrow, there are DeFi's that really need such a player in the game, and so lending protocol can impact them, they impact us. It's like a combination of communication and partnerships that's really great. Our funding goal is for next 6 months is about 150K to 250Ks. We will spend them on proper marketing, development, operation costs. Of course, we need to do audits, which is really, really important in DeFi world right now, and which costs money. This is why we're looking for funding. I'm really proud of our founding team, which consists of 4 people. I'm one of them. Every one of them has been developing a lot of things on blockchain, on other chains, not on blockchain. So I'm really proud to work with these people, and all of them are really high quality people. If you are interested in this protocol, in our lending protocol, and would like to invest or just help, write us on Telegram. This is my Telegram QR code, or you can write us an email, or yes, and you can check our development, our open source development, which is essential at these times on GitHub. We will post there any updates. And thank you for the attention. Hope you have a great day.